Climatology here with some of the extremes here, and this is going back through the presidential elections for Charlotte, so going back to 1880. So the warmest election day we ever had was actually back in 2004, where we got to 77 degrees. That was on November 2nd. The coldest was back in 1960, where the temperature dropped to 27 degrees, and the wettest, this is for presidential elections here, so this was in 1972, where we did have an inch and about a quarter of rain that fell. Now we're not going to see quite that much today, but we are going to get a little bit of a soggier forecast here. So as you head out to the polls, may want to grab the rain jacket or the umbrella if you're going to be standing outside. Now 9 o'clock, temperatures will be in the mid 60s. You can expect cloudy skies across the area, a little bit of light drizzle, some patchy fog possible. As we head towards lunchtime, temps will be in the low 70s, so going to be a little warmer than yesterday, but those clouds remain locked in and rain chances picking up as we head into the evening. We'll see a few more of those stray showers shifting even east here of 77, so some of that light rain will linger through the evening if you plan on voting after work today. By 7 o'clock here, when the polls close in South Carolina, temperatures are going to be near 70 degrees. Now we have that high pressure system that's moving further off the coast of New England. That is locking in the clouds here as we're still under the influence of that cooler air and more of that moisture streaming in from the northeast. As we look ahead here for your forecast over the next couple of hours, we're going to see more of that moisture stream here off the Atlantic, so you can expect more cloudy skies and some of that light misty rain and drizzle to continue through the early morning hours. As we push towards mid-morning, we'll see more of that patchy fog as well. That will finally lift here by the early afternoon. Zooming in though with our live radar, if you're trying to get out early this morning, we're seeing some of that light rain stretching through East Charlotte here, Plaza Midwood. That is going to be just more of that light rain here for your morning drive. A little bit further north into the foothills, we're seeing more of those light showers here from Hickory into Little River, and even stretching along I-40 here from Morganton into Connolly Springs. Now over the next few hours, generally going to see just light rain today, so not going to be picking up anything too heavy. But as we move towards midweek, we're going to get more of that stream of tropical moisture and our best rain chances we have seen in weeks. With drought conditions worsening across the area, the rain is actually needed, although if you're trying to get out today, maybe a little bit of a nuisance for you out here through the early evening. Looking ahead towards Wednesday, that wedge here finally going to erode. However, we're going to see those winds transition out of the south, and we're going to start to funnel in some of that tropical moisture out of the Gulf. As we look towards Wednesday evening, got an upper level disturbance that will bring in more widespread rain and even a couple pockets here of heavier rain through Thursday morning. Now Thursday looking like the wettest day of the week. We've got a boundary that's going to stall out, but that will finally push out of the region here, getting closer to our weekend. As we look ahead towards Friday and Saturday, we still have to keep an eye on things in the tropics with Rafael, which is now a tropical storm. If we can tap into a little bit more of that moisture stream, then we may see those rain chances extend here into the start of your weekend. But right now, no direct influence here from that system. Rainfall totals about an inch to an inch and a half is looking more likely across the area. Any little bit here will help, but of course we don't want all of that at one time. With the drought that we're seeing, that could lead to some potential flooding, especially for areas south of 85, where we have the potential to see more of those heavier pockets line up. Temperatures are going to be warm over the next couple of days, getting back into the mid 70s here by Wednesday and Thursday. After that front passes to the east of the area, we will see a slight drop in temperature, but remaining above average even through the weekend, upper 60s to low 70s for Saturday and Sunday. That's your latest weather-wise 7-day. Back over to you.